students, good morning to everyone. In the previous video we have studied about what is force and what are the effects of force, as we have studied in that video. And today in this video we will study about the different kinds of force. Yes beta, there are many types of force. If you will observe, you will find out that there are many types of force that act in our surrounding in our daily life. When you will go in the park, then you will observe there are too many kinds of forces are there, and there are some forces which only act when two objects come in contact with each other, and those kinds of forces are known as contact force. And other kind of force acts when two objects are not in contact with each other. They are known as non-contact force. And contact force, number 1 muscular force, number 2 frictional force, number 3 buoyant force. Whereas non-contact force are magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. Now I will show you how muscular force is a kind of contact force. Yes beta, as the name applies, muscular force. Muscular means the force which is applied by our muscles, by our arms, you can say by our legs. And if you will see that if you have to pick up your bag early in the morning when you go to school, then you pick up your bag, it means your hand first touches the bag and then you pick your bag with your hands. So what do you call this kind of force when your muscles act to pick up your bag? Yes, very good. This is known as muscular force. And when you have to open the door, then how you will open the door? First your hand will touch the door and then you will push the door, then it will open, है ना? So it means in opening the door also you are applying your muscular force by the hands you are applying, that is also known as muscular force. And when you have to wash your clothes, then you twist your clothes, then what happens? Muscular force. And whenever you have to apply football, you have to play football, then you first pick up football with your hands and then sometimes you kick the football with your foot. All kinds of forces are known as muscular force. And muscular force, next kind of force is frictional force. How frictional force? What is frictional force? Who will tell to me? In the 5th class, also in the 4th class, previous class, you have studied about the frictional force and you have observed that when you walk on the rough surface, up and down surface, or you can say when you walk on the mountains, then it is easy, or when you move on the smooth surface, then it is easy. Yes, when you move on the smooth surface, then it is very much easy. Because why? Can you tell me the reason? Because on the rough surface frictional force is too much. What is frictional force? Frictional force is the force that opposes motion when two surfaces are in contact. Friction force always act in the direction opposite to the direction of the motion of the object. And you can even see that when carom coins are pushed on the board, a frictional force acts between the surface of the carom board and coins. This force slows down the coin until it stops. Sometimes you see you put powder on the carom board. Why you put powder on the carom board? Can you tell me? Yes, when you apply powder on the carom board, It means powder fills the rough surface which are found on the carom board and surface becomes smooth, and when you kick the striker slips away due to less friction, and you feel enjoy in kicking the carom coin, है ना? So in this way you have seen that if the surface is rough, then the friction between rough surface is more, and the surface is smooth, then friction is less. And you will find out that a ball moves for a shorter distance on the rough surface, while a ball moves larger distance on a smooth surface. Then if you have to pick up an object, then when there is a greater friction between an object and a surface, a greater force you have to need. Why you have to need greater force? Can you tell me? Because there is too much grip between the object and the surface. That is why. If the surface is rough, it means there is no grip between an object and the surface, and a less force is required to move the object on the smooth surface. Okay, beta? And can you tell me what are the advantages of the friction? Advantages. When you write on your notebook, then it is only due to friction. When your ma'am is writing on the blackboard, only it is due to friction. You have seen sometimes what happen. Sometimes you stand near the blackboard and your oil from the head, है ना, oil from the head apply on the blackboard, and when your ma'am will write on that oily area, then chalk does not move, or you can say marker does not write on that area. Why? Because there is too much friction. Surface becomes too much smooth that even pen, or you can say chalk, is not can't do work. Okay, it means only due to friction we are able to write on the blackboard. If we will see, if you are walking on the ground, only due to the friction. When your mom wash the floor with the soapy water, then what happen? If you don't know, you slips away at once. Why? Because there is no friction. That is why. And when you grip anything into your hand, because your hand is very much rough, you have seen on your hands too much ridges, patterns are there. This increase the friction. That is why your grip is too much better. If you will apply oil on your hand, what will happen? All the things will slips down from your hands. Okay, this is only due to friction that you can pick up anything. Only due to friction, matchstick can work on the surfaces of the matchbox and causes the matchstick to light up. Okay, disadvantage. What are the disadvantage of the frictional force? Friction causes damage to tires of the vehicle. Even our souls also damaged due to only friction. Your machine parts, you can say mixie, due to rubbing, due to friction, machine parts get destroyed. Friction, due to friction, heat is produced, and this heat produced due to friction damages the parts of heavy machine. It is very much difficult to move a heavy object due to greater friction. So these all are the disadvantages of the frictional force. Even too many disadvantages are there of the frictional force, but we can say friction is a necessary evil, because without friction our too much work can't be possible, है ना? So friction is advantages also, frictional force. There are too many advantages also, side by side disadvantage also, but you can say uh, without friction we can't live. That is why friction is a necessary evil. So beta, in this video you have studied about the different types of force: contact force, non contact force, okay, frictional force. What is frictional force? What are the advantages of frictional force? What are the disadvantages of frictional force? That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.